Namaste friends, I am Ritesh and today our topic is Supta Padangusthasana, that is also known as Reclining Hand-to-Big-Toe Pose. Friends, it's a safe hamstring stretch as well as the spine is supported. So basically you are in the supine position and you're doing a nice wonderful hamstring stretch. It creates a traction in your back and it relieves the compression and tension in your spine. Friend, it comes into a beginner to intermediate level. So it's a supine balancing hip opener pose. Safety first. So in case you're having a hamstring tear or any injury to the hamstrings, please avoid it. It's quite intense. Also, don't push yourself too much in this because at times I have seen people pushing too intensely and they injure their hamstrings because it's very relaxing pose. At the same time, if you have a tight thoracic region, please use a bolster behind the head. Any injury to the spine or any discomfort you feel, just take a break and do it after a few days. You might get it better. Friends, before you get into this pose, you need to prepare yourself. So any of the standing forward bends, that is Uttanasana, or a cobbler's pose, that is Baddha Konasana, would be great. And also a downward facing dog, that is Adho Mukha Svanasana, or a half monkey pose. Fine? So these are the asanas that you need to prepare yourself before you get into a reclining hand to big toe pose. So now let's get into the practice. So reclining means lying down on your back. So always, if you have a good core, good abdomen, you can move like that. But it's always safe to lie down on the side. And then just adjust your position, space out your shoulder blades and stretch your legs out slowly. Now from here, gently flex the left knee. Now friends, if you find you can't hold your toe, you can always use a belt. Place it there. Now you need to place it on the ball of the feet, not on the arches. So I told myself, hold it there, and now when I do this, I see that my right hip is not lifting it up. It's on the floor. My shoulders are relaxed, my face muscles are relaxed, and I'm enjoying the pose. Now to whatever extent you can go, listen to your body. Now if you find that beyond that, if I'm doing it, I am lifting my hip up, I would prefer to use a block, keep it here, maintain it. So it becomes easier for me to maintain that position and I can hold it relaxedly and my hip is not lifting up. Fine. Remember to straighten the arms, don't bend it too much. So holding it there, opening the chest and breathe. My hip is down, that is my right hip is down on the floor and I come back slowly. Take it down, relax. Now if you're planning to do it without the belt, after a few weeks of practice, you can hold the big toe, stretch it out. Micro bend in the knee is completely fine. So it depends. If the hamstrings are too tight, you can bend the knees and you can still get into this pose. Even if you are here, it's completely fine. You don't have to go completely down. Just listen to the body. Don't force yourself. Stall yourself, maintain it and go. Slowly and steadily. If you feel you can just hold it here, try to hold it here. And breathe. Coming back gently, bend it and relax yourself. So feel the relaxation. Observe your breathing. So friends, when you plan to do this pose, just see that you do it very slowly and steadily. Don't force yourself too much in this pose. It's a very relaxing pose. It's a very restorative pose also. So friend, it reduces arthritis. So if you have any arthritis issue, and if you're stretching it out slowly and gently, it reduces arthritis, especially pain in the hip and the knee. And any stiffness in the lower back, it just opens your lower back very slowly and gently. At the same time, it aligns your pelvis, it relieves sciatica pain and any menstrual discomfort. Friends, I'm Ritesh. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. And yes, if you have any suggestions or comments, please mention in the comment section below. Namaste.